Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Teacher.
Hello, friends. Today's topic is Easy English Conversation for Beginners.
We are sitting in a beautiful garden and drinking tea.
Yes, and we'll have a long, friendly talk in simple English so you can learn easily.
Listen carefully, repeat after us, and improve your English step by step.
Let's start.
The morning is so beautiful today.
Yes, it feels so fresh. I love coming to this garden in the morning.
Me too. The air is clean, the sky is blue, and the birds are singing.
Look at those trees, so green and tall.
Nature makes everything peaceful.
Do you come here every day, Mia?
Not every day, but I come here at least 4 times a week.
That's nice. I should also start coming more often.
Yes, it's good for your health and mind. You can walk, relax, and think.
True, morning walks give positive energy.
This tea is so tasty.
Yes, it's perfect. Warm tea in cool weather, great combo.
Exactly. Do you like tea or coffee more?
I like both, but tea's my favorite.
Me too, especially ginger tea.
Same. Ginger tea gives energy.
Sometimes I add cardamom. It smells so nice.
Oh, that's interesting. I should try that.
Do you take sugar in your tea?
Just a little. Too much sugar is not good.
Right. I also like it with less sugar.
Next time, you should bring your specialty.
Sure, I'll make it for you next time we meet here.
So, Mia, what's your daily routine like?
I wake up at 6 o'clock every morning.
That's early.
Yes. Then I brush my teeth, take a shower, and drink some warm water.
Healthy habit. What do you do after that?
I go for a walk, just like today, and then have breakfast.
Nice. What do you eat for breakfast?
Usually I eat bread, butter, and fruits. Sometimes I eat poha.
Oh, poha is my favorite. What about you? What's your routine? I wake up around 6:30, do some stretching, and read English news.
Reading in the morning is a good habit.
Yes, it helps me learn new words every day.
Do you like cooking, Alex?
A little. I can make noodles and omelet.
Simple but tasty.
What about you?
I love cooking. I can make rice, curry, and some snacks.
Wow. You're a good cook then.
Thank you. I also try new recipes from YouTube sometimes.
That's a fun way to learn.
Yes, cooking is relaxing.
What's your favorite food?
I love pasta and Indian street food.
Me too, especially samosas.
Everyone loves samosas.
What are your hobbies, Mia?
I like gardening, reading, and listening to music.
That's perfect for a calm morning like this.
Yes, gardening makes me happy. I love growing flowers and plants.
Do you have many plants at home?
Yes, I have more than 20 plants.
Wow, that's amazing. I like playing guitar and drawing.
That's cool. Music and art make life colorful.
Exactly. Everyone should have a hobby to feel relaxed.
You're right. Hobbies help us reduce stress. Mia, what's your dream in life?
My dream is to speak English fluently and work in another country.
That's a great goal. Which country do you want to go to?
Maybe Canada or Japan. I want to explore different cultures.
Nice choice. I want to start my own YouTube channel one day.
You should. You speak so clearly and confidently.
Thank you. I want to teach simple English to beginners.
Wow, that's a beautiful dream. You'll help many people.
And what's your second dream?
Maybe to travel around the world.
Traveling teaches so much. It's the best kind of learning.
How do you practice English, Mia?
I practice by reading, listening, and speaking every day.
That's good. I talk to myself in English sometimes.
I do that too. I stand in front of the mirror and speak.
It feels funny, but it helps a lot.
Yes, I also watch short English videos and repeat the sentences.
Great idea. Do you learn new words daily?
Yes, I try to learn at least 5 new words each day.
That's smart. I keep a small notebook for new English words.
Oh, that's useful. You can review them anytime.
Exactly. Practice and consistency are the keys to success.
What do you usually do in the evening?
I go for a walk or play badminton with my friends.
That sounds fun.
What about you?
I like to listen to music or watch English movies.
Which movie is your favorite?
I love Zootopia and Finding Nemo.
Those are great choices. They are easy to understand and fun to watch.
Yes, and the characters speak slowly. Perfect for learners.
What do you do on weekends, Mia?
On Saturdays, I clean my house and visit my parents.
That's nice. Family time is important.
Yes. On Sundays, I like to sleep late and relax.
Same here. Sunday is my lazy day.
Everyone needs one lazy day.
Do you go out with friends?
Sometimes we go shopping or to a cafe.
That's fun. I usually go to the cinema or play games with friends.
Alex, do you believe in positive thinking?
Yes, of course. Positive thoughts make life better.
I agree. Every morning I say to myself, today will be a good day.
That's a nice habit. I should start doing that too.
When we think positive, we feel positive.
True. And when we speak positive words, we spread happiness.
Exactly. So, everyone watching, think positive and smile. So, friends, today we talked about many topics: weather, tea, food, hobbies, dreams, English learning, and more.
Yes, and all in simple, easy English for beginners.
Now it's your turn.
Write in the comment box, what's your favorite time of the day?
Practice these sentences every day and speak English confidently.
Don't forget to like
Share.
and subscribe to Mr. English Teacher.
See you in the next video. Bye-bye.